Hey there everyone, today we have a 4-lap race at Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Now, what do you need for this track? Well, you need a car with a high top speed and cornering, and you also need to be quite brave around the corners. As we shall see, some people will go incredibly slowly around the corners and they will lose. So, let's see the competitors. We have the BMW Z4 GT3, the Aston Martin Vantage GT3, the Ford GT FIA GT1, the Nissan JR Motorsports GTR GT1, and the BMW M3 GT2 ALMS, which I'm going to be driving. So, looking at top speed, it looks like the Aston Martin and the Ford might do well here. However, when it comes to grip, the M3 has it all. Anyway, let's just see how this race pans out. Alright, so here is the grid lineup. All ready and raring to go. 4 laps around the main speedway. Here we go. Alright, here we go, green lights, and as you can see, we've got quite a big pack here. We've got a pack of 22. Going flat out around this corner, overtaking as many cars as possible. Going around the outside here, getting some more overtakes. As you can see, the BMW M3. Oh, we've had a bit of a crash there. But the BMW M3 is definitely a bit of a favourite car among these people. I nearly got punted out of the race there. That would have been bad. Here we go, let's go on the inside. Now the BMW won't catch up on the straights, but it will definitely catch up in the corners. You have to brake into the corner. So, with the BMW, you can pretty much keep flat out through the whole thing like an F1 car. Now, I am going to do stuff other than speedways. But speedway races I just really like. Here we go. So we're approaching some more M3s. Now, as you can see, they're braking into the corners. They don't have the braveness, I guess, to take it on at full throttle. However, they're only using a dab of brakes. Okay, moving up into P6. As you can see, we're staying comfortably at 191 miles an hour. Even may dip to 190, may rise to 192 at times. But let's see what happens as we go into the final lap. I think we might be able to take P4 if we're lucky enough. We might come across back markers on this last lap as well. I explained those in my last video. There are people at the back of the pack that you are lapping, and they go really slowly. Well, here we go, overtaking Mario here, and let's just cut back in front of them. Oh, they're now in an overtaking position, and now we can. Oh, I should have gone defensive there. Or a little bit of braking. Let's cost quite a bit of time. Can we get past this Ford GT? Oh, we've had to brake a lot for the corner. Can I overtake him? Oh no, not just enough. So we'll take P5. But which car won? Let's see. And the winner is the BMW M3 GT2 ALMS. Takes a 1, 2, 3 home. In 4th place is the Ford GT. Then we got BMW. Wow, okay. So yeah, BMW M3 was definitely the favourite here, which is actually surprising. The reason I chose the BMW M3 is because it was the only one that could get the PR requirement. So yeah. So that's going to be it for today. I know it's quite short, but I just need to get a video up before my battery runs out, so it can upload while it's charging. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. By the way, this is in Global GT Clash. And subscribe if you want to see more mobile game videos. See ya!